Hello lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make the best akara that is fluffy and yummy. To make akara, you need to first of all remove the bean coat. You remove the bean coat by rubbing them in between your palms as shown in this video. Add water and allow the bean to float onto the surface. Sieve out the chaff in a sieve and be careful not to pour the beans in the sieve. Repeat this process of peeling and sieving until all the skin is removed. I normally wash at night and soak it overnight. Sieve out your beans into the blender. Add pepper, onion, garlic. Garlic is optional. And add a little salt for taste and blend away. The advantage of soaking your beans is that it makes it soft, such that you only add a very little or no water while blending. Blend the mixture until you get a smooth but thick consistency. I'm going to be making two varieties, so I have two portions of batter. One I added tatashi in it and one without. To achieve a fluffy akara, you will have to incorporate some air into the life of the batter using a pestle or mortar. Keep running it in a circular motion as shown until you achieve a lighter batter or until it doubles. You can also use your food processor or cake mixer to achieve this. To season, I like to add chopped onion and chopped pepper, even though I've added them while blending, but I like to see them in my akara. Let's prepare our oil. Into a pan, pour enough oil and preheat on a medium heat. Now this is what I do. I like to put some water by the side because I will be dipping my spoon in the water after each scoop. It will help the batter to release easily. So our oil is hot enough and it's time to fry. You see that? Once you drop the akara in the oil, it pops up. That's exactly what you want. If it doesn't pop up, it will result to a flat or no akara. Fry on both sides until it turns golden brown. See how beautiful they are already looking. Remove and place in a sieve lined with paper towel to absorb excess oil. And at this time, I'm going to fry the other one. Repeat the process till you exhaust the whole batter. Akara is ready. Let's see how it looks. It's fluffy on the inside and crunchy on the outside. What will you pair this with? I serve mine with akam. And that's all for today. And if you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. See you again on Sunday. Bye.